Hello everyone, welcome back to our review lecture. In this video I will go over the fraction subtractions. This video is meant to dedicate to solving some of the basic simple fraction subtractions. For our next video we will talk about how we're going to proceed to do mixed number subtraction. So, number 1, we have 2 over 3 minus 2 over 10. Again, same thing as you do fraction additions. You have to find LCM. In this case, between 3 and 10, the LCM has to be 30. So you should multiply by 10 to the first fraction and multiply by 3 for the second fraction. If at this point you have no idea what I'm doing, I would suggest you to review the fraction addition in the previous module, so you know how to get from the LCM to the modifications of each fractions. Because once we find the LCM, we have to modify each of the fractions so that right now the two fractions will be in the denominator of 30. So now I can look at the top. 2 times 10 will be 20 minus 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay, you do the math of 20 minus 6, which is 14 over 30. If I reduce it, that will be 7 over 15. Number 2, I have 3 over 5 minus 1 over 3. So LCM has to be 15. The first fraction you have to multiply by 3. The second fraction you have to multiply by 5. So you should have 9 over 15 minus 5 over 15, which will get you to 4 over 15. Number 3, I have 3 over 5 minus 1/3. Again, LCM has to be 15 in this case. 5 times 3 will be 15. And 3 times 5 will get you to 15 as well. So you should have 9 over 15 minus 5 over 15, which will be 4 over 15. Actually, this question is the same, it's identical with the second one, so the answer will be the same, but it's still a good exercise for us. Number 4, I have 4 over 5 minus 2 over 4. In this case, LCM will be 20. So 5 times 4 will give me 20, and 4 times 5 will give me 20 as well. So it will be 16 over 20 minus 10 over 20. It will be 6 over 20, and then reduce it, you will have 3 over 10. Okay, number 5. Between 3 and 4, you will have the LCM of 12. So 3 times 4 and 4 times 3. So it will be 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12. That will give you 5 over 12. Number 6, I have 3 over 5 minus 1/4, so LCM will be 20. That means 5 has to multiply by 4, 4 has to multiply by 5, 12 over 20 minus 5 over 20, which will get you to 7 over 20. Number 7, I have 2 over 5 minus 1/3. LCM will be 15. 5 times 3, and 3 times 5. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6 over 15 minus 5 over 15. This will be 6 minus 5, which is 1 over 15. Okay, number 8. I have 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. LCM is 12. So now multiply the first fraction by multiplying 4, and multiply the second fraction by multiplying 3. So 1 times 4 is 4 over 12 minus 3 over 12. This will give me 1 over 12, and that's our final answer. Number 9, I have 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3, so the LCM will be 15 again. So to multiply the first fraction, I have to multiply by 3. For the second fraction, I have to multiply by the multiplication of 5. 4 times 3 is 12 over 15, minus 2 times 5 is 10 over 15. And when you subtract them, you will have 2 over 15. Number 10, I have 1/2 minus 1/3, so the LCM will be 6. So 2 will multiply by 3, and 3 will multiply by 2. 1 times 3 is 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6. This will give me 1 over 6 as the final answer. So that's it for the first 10 questions of this worksheet. If by now you feel like all these questions are very simple and easy, that I'll say good for you. With our next video, we'll talk about mixed number subtractions, which deals with a little bit more steps than what we do in here, but overall every step should be similar to one another.